My name is Lykourgos, and actually, indeed, we're managing a traditional wooden boat. We operate since 2012, actually, and currently we are located in the island of Scopelos in Greece, in North Sporades complex. Um, most of our let's say operations and cruises are focused in the day cruise, but during the season and mostly off season, let's say we also um, making multiple day cruises. The island of Scopelos and Sporades, it's a beautiful area. It's also the only national marine park located there. So the area is privileged because of its limited marine traffic, especially for vessels, big vessels. So we don't have vessels around like big cargo ships and other kind of traffic. So it's a beautiful area.
Mm-hmm.
In the future now, we're planning to add another boat to our fleet, also always in the same category of traditional or classic boat. And we try also to keep, let's say, our services in a certain level. Most of our, let's say, guests are families and also maybe senior, let's say, people.
Okay.
We regarding the boat, the specific boat, it's a 53-foot boat. It has some nice characteristics. This kind of layout, actually, the boat was built in 1961. It's one of the few boats remain that they were built as a pleasure boat from the
Yes.
beginning. So in the 60s, let's say in Greece, they were building boats in traditional hulls, but
That can be seen from the picture that you shared through the system. Yeah.
I can share the
No,
pictures.
no, 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 no worries. We already uploaded the picture, and
Ah,
I said that this is um, privately built boat for the pleasure. So I
uh,
wanted to reconfirm it, nothing else.
yes, regarding the history of the boat, a few words. It was commissioned by a French in a boatyard in Piraeus in Athens, and they built three same boats as a charter boat fleet actually. But back then they did a really nice work actually. They took care of the hull. It was not very often people commissioning this kind of boats for pleasure. It was mostly for fishing, trading. So it's a unique boat. Practically, it has some nice features. For example, the deck space. It's very comfortable to walk around. You don't have obstacles.
Nice.
Um, um, it has a full sailing rigging also.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
It sails very well. It's very stable. It cruises to 7, 8 knots.
That's nice. How
Uh,
many people, how many persons can sleep on the boat?
Actually, to sleep comfortably, we take up to 6 guests. It has 3 cabins. You can see the picture there. There are two
Mm-hmm.
cabins with a double bed and a cookette over. And it has also another cabin with a double head. It has 2 bathrooms.
Mm-hmm.
One, it's the master cabin bathroom, the picture we see, and a common bathroom in the uh, inside the let's say rest at the saloon, let's say, of the boat. Um, Yeah, it's. I think the feedback we have till now is very positive. I think.
Nice, congratulations, bravo.
Thank you. It's we're trying also to, let's say, offer an experience that also because of that boat offers a specific, let's say, kind of experience. Because it's also makes you trip also in the past, also to understand how the people they used to sail back then, even if now the rigging is much modern.
Yeah. I
Uh,
assume you offer like wine tasting on the boat, so you really feel you have the proper feeling of the
yes,
historical times and everything all together. Yeah.
it's a day on board, let's say, for the most of
Hmm.
the time. That it's I think cruising in a rudder boat gives a specific, let's say, kind of experience, and
Nice.
managing the experience in a proper manner in order to, let's say, give a holistic, let's say, approach. It gives a unique experience. Um,
Bravo.
Regarding the day cruise, we
Hmm.
offer, so we start at 10 a.m., depart from Scopelos Harbor. We sail along the coast of Scopelos and Alonissos. It's an
Hmm.
island next to Scopelos. It's 1 hour cruising. We make a first stop there to swim and enjoy and have maybe a snack. And then we continue cruising to Peristera. It's another island, uninhabited island, because it's part of the marine park. It has many options depending on the weather, with very nice bays to swim and enjoy these beautiful, let's say, surroundings. We offer also lunch there on board that we prepare there
Nice.
on the boat. We try to make feel participant all the guests to be like a crew
A crew members. That's nice.
there,
Yeah.
not by making them, of course,
Of course, but just the feeling that they will get
but
on board.
yes, exactly, to involve them somehow with
Yes.
this experience. Yeah,
Nice.
yes, and then
Nice, nice.
we sail back to Scopelos, but we're usually at 6 p.m. We're back. We
Back
offer
in the base. Yeah.
sunset cruise also sometimes
Hmm.
if requested, which is also a beautiful experience. In an multiple day cruise, we depart or from Scopelos or from Skiathos, which Skiathos is an island 2 hours from the harbor of Scopelos. Skiathos has an airport also.